on.
Good afternoon. We are Team Success, and today we will be exploring how the supermarket chain Aldi can incorporate artificial intelligence in their stores. Before we dive into that, let me introduce you to the team before I hand off to Wally, who will go into the future of Aldi. My name is Jasper Johnson.
I'm Charles Hidden.
I'm Wally Wachowski.
I'm Quentin Weflin.
I'm Lucy Zatella.
And I'm Carolina Milian.
The future of Aldi grocery stores looks bright with the steady growth of stores over the past 50 years. After the expansion into the States in 1976, Aldi has been growing to one of the most successful grocery stores across the world and continuing to grow. An interesting factor such as AI has been talked about being incorporated into this business to help almost all aspects of the grocery chain. As shown on the slide, Aldi has had most of its significant growth in the past 14 years. According to Statista.com, there are around 2,400 stores in the United States currently, which is in line with some of the top grocery stores in the country. Next, I'll be passing on to Quentin to talk about the positive impact that AI has with business owners.
Thank you, Wally. From this graph, we can see the positive impact business owners expect AI to have. Forbes Advisor actually did a study where they surveyed some of the world's leading business owners on their expectations for AI, and this is how they responded. The majority of them predict AI to improve many aspects such as customer relations, productivity, and most importantly, sales. It is clear AI will soon be taking over many industries, and from our research, it is imperative that Aldi implements AI into the business model in order to continue growing. Next, let's talk about some of the areas of improvement for Aldi. Aldi's business model focuses on using fewer staff members since it is a more condensed store. However, sometimes employees can get overwhelmed with tasks or customers. According to an article by MASH, they state working at Aldi isn't just incredibly tiring because of the fast pace of the job, but also the multiple duties that associates are assigned. Due to this, Aldi is also having problems with employee and customer retention. It is clear Aldi is lacking something that will take them to that next step in the grocery store industry. However, we believe we have found the solution. I'll now pass it to Carolina to touch on that.
A few of our solutions that we're going to use are to incorporate AI into Aldi's management system. This will help the tasks be more efficiently assigned to employees, and employees will perform significantly fewer redundant and unnecessary tasks. The employees' time will also be spent more efficiently, and AI will review inventory automatically. I will be now passing it back to Jasper to go through the setup process.
So there's a few steps as to how we set up the system. Firstly, we have to purchase an AI system from an external company. While there's numerous options, the leading options at our list are AppCard and Daisy Intelligence. After we purchase the AI system and equipment, we have to insure the system and the equipment just in case anything goes wrong. The next step is to have employees from whatever company we get the system from and our own Aldi employees to help incorporate and set up the AI system so that we know as a company what's going on. And lastly, we have to formulate a maintenance team purely constructed by Aldi employees so that we can attend to any issues that may arise. Next, I'll be diving into how the system actually works. So every individual Aldi store will have its own AI system, which will automatically notify their employees of their regular tasks. And these tasks will be assigned efficiently and fairly so that no employee is being worked to the point of exhaustion and no employee is left sitting around without any work. Now, this ensures that everyone is doing a fair amount of work. And lastly, our maintenance team will be doing regular checks on the AI system to make sure that everything's working as it should be and productivity and efficiency is at its maximum. I'll now be handing it back to Carolina, who'll be going into some potential concerns and pros and cons.
Our pros and cons for this are the pros will assist Aldi in improving their stores. Employees will enjoy doing their task and perform better, and it will be less strenuous work for the employees, and this will help better store management. A few of our cons are the installation and maintenance of the price of AI and less employees needed, so some employees may lose their jobs. I'll now be passing it to Charlie to go through the cost-benefit analysis.
Thank you, Carolina. Looking at the cost and benefit, it is clear that the benefits outweigh the cost significantly. Starting off with the cost, it would be about $40,000 per store to set up a third-party AI tracking software, according to WebFX. And then the cost of the labor would be about a $74,000 salary for each employee, which would be about 4, according to ZipRecruiter. And then the maintenance amount across 3 years would be about $60,000, according to SelfScom Solutions. And then the cost of the maintenance team would be between $80,000 and $95,000 salary for a team of 5, according to Indeed. which all adds up to about $1.7 million for the cost. However, the benefits are very good. Starting with a save money on turnover, which is about 1 to 2 times the employee's salary, which is $30,000 according to Indeed, and then each store losing about 5 to 10 employees per year adds up to about $300,000 across 3 years. And then according to Mashed, the save money in legal lawsuits can be around millions of dollars, which can be estimated about $1.5 million saved from that because of overworked employees. Then lastly, sales increased due to increased efficiency and customer satisfaction, which is about 2 to 7% increase in sales. So that's going to be about $800,000 across 3 years. And then the total benefits are going to be about $4.8 million, leaving about $3 million in profit from this. Now that we've looked at cost benefit analysis, let's look at how this solution applies to Aldi business goals.
Aldi's business goals are heavily surrounded with growth and sustainability. By incorporating AI into Aldi's management system, we can decrease the physical and mental demand on the employees by having AI sort all tasks into priority order. This will increase the production of Aldi's business and make sure employees are being treated with respect as well. Now I'll be giving a brief summary of Aldi's value statement. AI introduction at Aldi prioritizes customer and employee well-being, aiming to reduce physical strain for staff and enhance customer experience with faster service. Aldi seeks innovative solutions to benefit all, believing AI will simplify operations for everyone involved. Thank you for listening, and I hope you consider our offer.